Durbine. Need the Durbine anymore. Those were really, really simple patches. They were so simple, the painter could have done them. Sorry, painters. Now I'm just going to use my pigmented +3. And it'll skim out, it'll be done. I just am going to have to sand it, but I probably won't even have to sand it. Painter can take care of that when he comes through and starts painting everything. He can probably sand these patches. They're real simple. They're real easy. I believe they're ready to go. Oh man, that actually feels really, really good. I'll be able to skim this right out now. And it's just a tight skim coat. I want to get in here though too. All right, that's done. These are really, really simple stuff. And this is just easy stuff here, guys. This is, anybody could have done this patching. Hey, next, at the end of this month, I got some patching to do on an older home. It had a popcorn ceiling, and they ripped out the popcorn ceiling, or they didn't rip it out. They scraped it off the best they could, and then they painted it, and they painted it, and then they painted it, and then they painted it again. So I can't sand it down. Quite honestly, had they just scraped off the popcorn and let it dry, nice and dry, I could have gone in there with my power sander, sanded most of it smooth, put a slight skim coat on it, and been done with it. It would have been really easy. But now it's a textured ceiling that he now wants smooth, and it's got a bunch of cracks and stuff, so he wants to have the cracks repaired, and he wants the ceiling smoother than it is. So I'm going to go there and repair these cracks in this textured ceiling, and I'll make sure it's videotaped. I might be losing my cameraman this month, guys, so a lot of my videos if he leaves is going to be just me holding the camera up and setting the camera up. So that's it. That's all we really have for you for doing the patches. We're going to try to get about 15 videos out of this video. You want a t-shirt. I know you want a t-shirt. Get a t-shirt. You guys have a great day. If you really, really like us, subscribe. What else? Subscribe, share, Amazon, Patreon. Hey, Patreon, if you donate enough money, we'll get you one of these, all right? Amazon, Patreon, subscribe, share, you name it. Let's grow. Let's be a big community. You guys have a great day.